In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link anything in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make images and text clickable so visitors can move smoothly through your site or out to external resources. Let's start with images. On the page you're editing, click the image you want to turn into a link. This selects the image block so you can change its settings. Next, click the pencil icon that appears for that image. That opens the image settings panel, where all the controls for the block live. In that panel, click Attach Link. This is where Squarespace handles link behavior for images. Now paste the link you want to use into the field. You can paste a full website URL, like a product page or a blog post, and it's best to include the full address with HTTPS so it works reliably. You can also link to a page within your site by searching its name, link to a specific section on a page if you've already set up an anchor, or link to a file you've uploaded. If you're pointing to an email or phone number, use Mail To and Tell. Formats. Double-check the address for typos and make sure it points exactly where you intend. Now let's do the same for text. For text links, highlight the exact words you want to make clickable. Clear descriptive text like "View the portfolio" works better than vague phrases. With your text still highlighted, click the link icon in the text toolbar, the one that looks like a small chain, then paste your link into the field. The same rules apply here. Full URLs for external pages, search for internal pages, or use section file, email, or phone links when appropriate. Once the link is in, your highlighted text becomes clickable. A few quick tips to keep things polished and user-friendly. Keep your URLs clean and free of tracking junk when possible. It looks more professional. Use concise, meaningful link text so people know exactly what they'll get when they click. For images, make sure the image itself communicates the destination. A product image should lead to its product page, for example. Consistency also matters. Use the same link styles and wording patterns across your site to build trust and predictability. And as a final check, review your page and click each link to confirm it behaves exactly as expected. That's it. You've just learned how to link images and text in Squarespace quickly and confidently.